Now, I want to start with, well, it's very cool for me this case because I love jobs to be done strategy and jobs to be done theory, which is for customer discovery, innovation discovery, and truly understanding what are the problems, the outcomes, and the pains that the customer or your target audience has. So you have this template in a link here. You click here, you can open this template. This template is free for you. I created it. And this is a new feature of Notion. With Notion AI, by the way, you have to pay for Notion AI if you want to use it. I think it's $20 a month. So starting from a customer interview, so the idea is you can have hundreds of interviews. You can save a lot of time with the interviews. That's the way we do it, because AI is not going to replace your customer interviews, because it's very difficult that AI is going to be so much specific and going into the social and emotional jobs to be done that your client can have. So if you just go with AI, you're going to miss the truly reason because your client can buy. So AI is great for a fresh start in a journalistic way to understand just to be done, the pain points and so on, but you are not going to be super specific, which is what you need to sell, right? Now, if you have your interviews, what AI can help you a lot is summarizing the interviews, extracting data from the interviews, like the jobs to be done, the pains and the outcomes. That's this exact example. Those are these prompts that I've been optimizing. So the idea after this is a database in Ocean AI, and here I've created 5 different fields: AI summary field, job to be done field, pain field, outcome field, and take a stack if there are some kind of a stack mentioned in the interview. And when you create here a new item, let me copy and paste the interview. I'm going to copy and paste this interview so you all can see how this works. This is similarly an interview in the target audience of the product that we're simulating, which is, if you remember, we are simulating to launch a virtual reality tool in luxury real estate, right? So this is a mock interview, and it's a mock because ChatGPT has created this mock interview with a developer, a condo developer. Now we create this item here. I copy and paste the full interview. Okay, I close this. And then let's tell AI to summarize. There is content. Okay. Here's the summary during the sales process of high-rise luxury condos, blah, blah, blah. This is the jobs to be done field. Let's tell AI. And the pain points. Look, it did it automatically, right? If you wait a little bit, it's going to take, just probably 1 minute. He's going to fill in, because every time you create a new item with the interview, he's going to, using the prompts that I provided, he's going to fill in the jobs to be done, the pains, and the outcomes based off the interview that you've introduced in the field. Now, let's have a look to those fields. So, jobs to be done. Click on Edit Property. It's an AI autofill field, and here is the prompt. You're a research consultant expert in customer research and jobs to be done theory, developed by Tony Wick. Your task is to summarize, list, and provide the jobs to be done for the user. Use this syntax. I'm telling it the syntax to the jobs to be done. Same for the pain points, and same for the outcomes. I tell explicitly the outcomes are something you have to always start the outcome with maximizing or minimizing. That's the way you need to clearly state the outcome. Go through it, have a look to the prompts, play with the prompts. I've been iterating around 20 times these prompts to try different versions. This was the best version I can come up with, but I'm sure that these prompts can be still improved. And yeah, this is the way you can save a lot of hours analyzing customer interviews, right, and extracting the data.